Morning students, here we are going to start GK of class 5th, chapter 23, folk dance of India. Indian folk dance performed by every possible occasions such as celebrated the arrival of seasons, birth of child, a wedding and festival. Each of the following dance has a special costume. Okay, कुछ special costumes के साथ perform किया जाता है इन सबको. It is an Indian classical dance originated by Krishna district of Andhra Pradesh, but popular all over the South India. It is a Kuchipudi. Second, it is a folk dance found in Orissa and Andhra Pradesh. Its name derived from a simple tamburni, daf, changu. Okay, it is a folk dance of Assam. It was very brisk and aggressive dance performed by both boys and girls. Bihu. It is a folk dance of Rajasthan. It derives its name from the characteristics Priotet's Ghumar. It is a dance of Santami communities in Chhattisgarh. This dance is devotional and nature as a religion connotation. Pant. It is an energetic variant dance originated in the state of Gujarat, such which use polished stick dandiya ras. Okay. Chapter 24, National Awards. India has a long tradition of excellence in bravery, services of the nation, performing arts, etc. To honor with services, skills and bravery and dedications, the National Awards are instituted by Government of India. बेटा सब अपनी ब्रेवरी एक्सीलेंस के लिए सर्विसेज के लिए जो इंडिया नेशन को देते हैं उनको सम्मानित करने के लिए कुछ अवार्ड्स बनाए जाते हैं. उन सबको अप्रिशिएट करने के लिए उनकी स्किल्स उनकी ब्रेवरीज को वो बनाए जाते हैं. ओके, हियर आर सम इंफॉर्मेशन जो अवार्ड्स के बारे में है. First given on the occasion of the Mahatma Gandhi 125th birthday anniversary. This award is given for contribution of society based on Gandhian principle. It is Gandhi Peace Prize. Second is every year the government gives an award in various cinematic categories of cinema like best director, best films, etc. It is National Film Award. This award is given to the children who have performed brave deeds on 14th November every year. The children then take a part in Republic Day parade. It is National Bravery Award for Children. It is an Indian highest civilization award given to great achievements in the art, science and public service. ये award है भारत रत्न. It is the highest award given to the member of all branch of armed force for a great valor and bravery in the face of the enemies. ये award है परमवीर चक्र. Sixth, it is the country highest literary award given for the creative writings and in any of the 22 official language. ये award है जनपीत award. Okay, जनपीत award. Okay. Chapter 25, Indian Constitution. Our country is socialist, secular and democratic republic. It has own constitution which was adopted on 26 November 1949 and came into the force on 26 January 1950. It is a written constitution and the fundamental rights are called the heart and soul. Okay. The dash is the law making body of our country. कहाँ अपने country के law और बनते हैं parliament में. The dash is the highest court of our country. अपना highest court कौन है country का? Supreme Court. The dash is the supreme commander of the armed force of our country, President. The system voting in which our voters is unknown is called South Vault. The head of the Supreme Court is called Chief Justice of India. The local elected body of village is called Gram Panchayat. The head of the council minister is called the Prime Minister. 8. The dash is the highest court of the state High Court. Every Indian citizen above 18 year age has the right to vote. 10th. The ex-office chairman of Rajya Sabha is Vice President. Okay. The rest we will learn in next class. Thank you.